Hey there, and welcome back to the Grow Your List series. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful tools you can use to grow your business, and that is lead magnets. If you've been following along, you already know how crucial it is to understand your ideal customer. Now, let's take that knowledge and create lead magnets that not only attract your ideal audience, but also set the stage for your offer. But first, let's take a quick look at exactly what is a lead magnet. Think of it as a valuable freebie you offer to your audience in exchange for their contact information, usually their email address. But here's the key. It can't just be any freebie. To be truly effective, your lead magnet needs to be irresistible. It should grab your ideal customer's attention, solve a specific problem they're facing, and leave them wanting more. Note that I said your ideal customer, not anyone and everyone. We don't just want to build a list of email addresses. Having a big email list won't necessarily make your business a success and create financial freedom. We want to build a contact list of engaged prospects who are actively interested in what you have to offer. So let's break down what makes a lead magnet irresistible. First, it needs to be specific. Your lead magnet should address a very particular problem or need that your ideal customer has. You can see now why we said it's so important to build your ideal customer avatar. So, for example, if your target audience is a freelance graphic designers who need marketing help, a generic guide on business tips won't catch her eye. But a checklist on 10 proven ways to attract high-paying clients as a freelance designer, now that's something she can't ignore. Next, your lead magnet should provide immediate value. It's not just about giving something away for free. It's about making your audience feel like they're getting a win right now. Whether it's a quick tip, a shortcut, or a strategy they can implement immediately, it should make them think, wow, this is exactly what I needed. And finally, your lead magnet should be relevant. Here's where your lead magnet can really shine by connecting the dots in your audience's mind between the content you're providing and your offer. Ideally, your lead magnet should have your audience at least 80% sold on your offer before they even hit your sales page. How do you do that? By showcasing your expertise, building trust, and giving them a taste of what it's like to work with you. Now, I could talk all day about the specific elements that make an irresistible lead magnet, but for the sake of time for you today, I'll stick with these top three. If you're interested in learning more about all the elements to include in your lead magnet, I invite you to schedule a complimentary coaching call with me and consider joining our conversion code community. In the meantime, let's take a look at how to structure a great lead magnet. I call it the 5 I's of lead magnet magic. That includes the introduction, ideation, information, inspiration, and invitation. Now, more on that in the future episodes, or if you're motivated to improve your lead generation now, click the link below this video and schedule that complimentary coaching session. For now, here are the most important ingredients you'll want to make sure your lead magnet has moving forward. 1, solve one specific problem. Choose a problem that's top of the mind for your ideal customer. Make it specific and actionable. The goal is to give them a quick win that builds confidence in your expertise. 2, showcase your unique value. Your lead magnet should highlight what makes your approach different. Maybe it's a unique strategy, a new perspective, or a simplified process. This is your chance to stand out and show why you're the go-to expert. And 3, include a call to action. Don't leave your audience wondering what to do next. Include a clear call to action that guides them to the next step, whether it's booking a call, signing up for a webinar, or exploring your paid offer. Remember, a lead magnet is more than just a way of collecting emails. It's the start of a relationship. It's your first impression, and it sets the tone for everything that follows. When done right, a lead magnet can be the difference between a lead that fizzles out and one that turns into a loyal customer. So take time to craft a lead magnet that truly resonates with your audience. Focus on providing value, solving a specific problem, and building that trust. If you do that, you'll not only attract more leads, you'll attract the right leads. If you are ready to dive deeper and learn more about optimizing your lead magnets for maximum impact, let's jump on a quick call. As always, if you have any questions or need help getting started, feel free to reach out. We're here to support you every step of the way.